Hello everyone, my name is Damien David. I am a mechanical engineering student from UNIMAS, University Malaysia Sarawak. Today I'm going to tell you how is thermodynamic is applicable to our daily life. Let's go.
Okay, before that, what is thermodynamic? Thermodynamic can be defined as the science of energy. Although everybody has a feeling of what energy is, it is difficult to give a precise definition for it. Energy can be viewed as ability to change. Now, let's talk about conservation of energy principle. Oh, here we go. The meaning of conservation of energy principle is during an interaction, energy can change from one form to another, but the amount of energy remains constant. So it also states that energy cannot be created or destroyed. Oh, well, you want me to prove it, right? Alright, let's go. Alright, this is a bouncing ball. You play basketball, right? So we see when the ball is bouncing, we notice that every time, every second when the ball bounces to the floor, it keeps lower and lower and lower. And then we know that the energy of the bouncing ball has been absorbed by the floor. That's one of the applicable thing that we can see in our daily life. Next, we talk about the first law of thermodynamics. Let's go. This is the first law of thermodynamics, which is an expression of the conservation of energy principle. The first law asserts that energy is a thermodynamic property. Okay, as you see, this is a water balloon experiment. And then you must prepare a candle where you burn the candle up and then you fill up the balloon with water. In this experiment, you must burn the balloon that filled with the water. During this experiment, you will also notice that when the water is inside the balloon, it will not pop up. The experiment also a closed system where the volume and the pressure is constant. Here is why the balloon is not pop up. Water is greater absorber of energy than the air. So when the balloon is burned, the water absorbs the heat and avoid the expansion of the balloon and avoid the rupture. And then the wall of the balloon achieves thermal equilibrium, and that's why the balloon is not pop up. And now the second law of thermodynamics, which is it asserts that energy has quality as well as quantity. An actual process occurs in the direction of decreasing quality of energy. And now it is the experiment part where I will show you the experiment about the second law of thermodynamics. Let's go. Here is the first thing that we must know, which is the flow of the energy is always from the higher value of the energy to the lower value of the energy. Okay, I will explain about this better. I will show you about my experiment after this. this is my experiment, and this is my coffee. And before that, I must prepare a boiled water in the high temperature to make a hot coffee. Next, I put it in a transparent cup as well, so we can see the coffee clearly, and this is how I begin my experiment. Oh well, I almost forgot. Let's get back to our coffee, shall we? Generally here, we know that the coffee has a higher temperature than the cup. Then we know that the energy value of the coffee is higher. Then the heat of the coffee transfers to the cup, which is cooler and lower energy value. And this is the reason why when you touch the cup and the cup becomes much hotter than before. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you hit the button like, and then you can also follow my Instagram. Oh yes, you can also subscribe my channel if you feel free. I will really appreciate that. And thank you for watching again. Bye bye.